bringing you a video on light idioms with practice lessons, second series. Hi friends, this is Sagarika from Step Up English, extending a very warm welcome to all of my viewers on YouTube. As light as a feather, meaning extremely lightweight, not heavy at all. Usage: my luggage is as light as a feather because I travel light. A light purse makes a heavy heart, meaning if you do not have enough money, it can cause a lot of stress and worry in one's life. Usage: Usha lost her job several months ago. She hasn't been successful in finding a new employment for herself, which has made her upset and worried. A light purse makes a heavy heart, said her mother. To light up, meaning illuminate. Usage: Sheila's face lit up when she watched her daughter receive the prestigious award by the school's principal. Candlelight, meaning dawn or dusk. Usage: I prefer to take a bike ride at candlelight. To feel lightheaded, meaning to feel dizzy, giddy, faint, feeling weak. Usage: he overexerted himself at the training today and now he's feeling lightheaded. To be as light as air, meaning to weigh very little. Usage: the 6-month-old puppy is as light as air. Practice lessons. You may get to see herd of deer crossing the highway at candlelight. Make sure you put on your safety vest while cycling on the highway at candlelight to avoid accidents. The street lamps light up the roads and the alleys at candlelight. We returned home just before candlelight had set in. As soon as candlelight disappears, the runners are going to commence marathon immediately, said one of the organizers. Rohan's luggage was as light as air. The abused and hungry dog was as light as air. My jacket is as light as air. The cutlery that were purchased yesterday is as light as air. Although the vase looked heavily ornated, yet it is as light as air. Athletes were seen falling on the ground due to lightheadedness. I was feeling lightheaded soon after the concert got over. Sam complained of feeling lightheaded. Sid chose not to drive for he was feeling lightheaded. We made sure we kept ourselves hydrated throughout the day to avoid feeling lightheaded. Although my box looks heavy, it actually is as light as a feather. The water boy delivers buckets of water to the residents of this building. He carries buckets full of water up the stairs with so much of ease that I wonder if the buckets are as light as a feather. I need help with the luggage to be carried into the car. It isn't as light as a feather, though it seems to be that way, said Ria. Due to his illness, my grandfather has lost a lot of body weight. He's become as light as a feather, said Mohit. This book is as light as a feather. The candle lit up the dark room. The street lights lit up our suburb at night. His face lit up at the sight of his friend who paid him a visit after several years. Our city gets lit up every year on the occasion of Diwali with bright colorful lights. Jay's surprise for his mother on Mother's Day lit up her face with joy. Ali's recent promotion brought about financial stability and plenty of happiness to his family. Clearly, a heavy purse makes a light heart, said his manager. Ever since Jolly's business has been making a lot of profit, he has been keeping really happy. A heavy purse makes a light heart. The news of yearly bonus makes everyone in the office cheerful because a heavy purse makes a light heart. Although money cannot buy happiness, but it surely helps in paying the utility bills, satisfies our material needs and wants, thus makes us happy. They say that a heavy purse makes a light heart. A well-paid job and other sources of passive income has introduced a comfortable life for Mr. Smith and his family. A heavy purse makes a light heart. The CEO announced that there would not be an annual bonus this year because of financial difficulty. The news left everyone dejected and unhappy. Surely a light purse makes a heavy heart. This family went through severe financial difficulty which caused stress, worry and unhappiness. A light purse makes a heavy heart. The sudden pay cut has stirred up feelings of despair and concern among employees who support big families. A light purse makes a heavy heart, said the HR manager. In order to avoid stress and unhappiness, I decided to take up 2 part-time jobs to support my family financially. A light purse makes a heavy heart, said he. My grandparents worked tirelessly to ensure that there were always enough money to run a family because they knew that a light purse makes a heavy heart. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also, do hit the bell icon for future notification. Thank you.